Good day, my friends. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, we're putting the final chapter on our journey through southern Serbia. There's just one place left that we haven't explored, and today we're finally checking it off the list. Our destination is Besna, Kobila, one of Serbia's most beautiful yet surprisingly underrated mountains. Rising to 1,922 meters, 6,306 feet above sea level, Besna Kobila is famous for its wide alpine meadows, crystal clear mountain air, endless panoramic views, and peaceful landscapes. In winter, it transforms into a ski destination, while during the warmer months, it's a paradise for hikers, bikers, and anyone looking to escape the noise of everyday life. And don't worry, despite its name, which translates to Mad Mare, the mountain doesn't chase visitors, although if my riding skills disappointed, that could always change. We pulled over at the mountain lodge for a quick break before continuing our journey. This is where the pavement ends, and the real adventure begins. From this point on, it's all off-road. Rough trails, loose gravel, and the kind of terrain that makes every mile feel earned. Exactly the kind of riding that reminds you why motorcycles were made for adventures like this. Time to leave the smooth roads behind and let the mountain decide what's waiting around the next bend.
Destiny.
We made a brief stop at the Russian Memorial to pay our respects. The monument honors Soviet pilots who lost their lives in this region during World War II, serving as a quiet reminder that these peaceful mountains have witnessed both beauty and sacrifice. A moment of silence, and then back to the road. Riding through the mountains creates a feeling that is hard to describe. All around us, mountains, forests, and nothing else. No traffic, no noise. Just the sound of the wind moving through the trees and the quiet conversation between riders. A complete silence that somehow feels alive. A silence that clears your mind and makes you forget everything. Waiting back in the outside world, we have around 30 kilometers of this terrain ahead of us, with trails leading deeper into the wilderness. We found a perfect spot in the shade for a short break. And now take a look where we actually are. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. In this series, we'll take you across Serbia, exploring its breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, rich history, and the roads that make every ride unforgettable. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts that come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving. In the next episode, join us and discover where this road unexpectedly took us. A place we never planned to visit, but one that turned into an unforgettable moment. The birthplace of a great Serbian hero where we had the chance to meet his descendants. We wish you safe travels and unforgettable journeys. See you on the next adventure.